On Hewlett Packard Envy inkjet printer models, error E0 is often related to a defective black ink cartridge, a defective color cartridge, or both. But, before changing the cartridges, you can try different methods. Turn the printer off and disconnect the power cord. Wait at least 60 seconds. Plug the power cord directly into a wall outlet. Turn the printer back on. If the E0 error does not clear, continue to the next step. Open the cartridge access door. Remove both ink cartridges. Inspect each cartridge. Make sure you're using the correct cartridge model for your specific printer. Is the cartridge too old or expired? Remove any protective plastic tape covering the copper contacts or ink nozzle. Using a lightly damp cloth, clean the nozzles of the cartridge. Clean the copper-colored contacts on the cartridge. Clean the corresponding contacts inside the printer carriage. Allow everything to dry completely for a few minutes. Reinstall the cartridges firmly until they click into place. Close the access door. Power the printer back on. If the error remains, continue. Sometimes this method works. Open the front cover. Press and hold the Wi-Fi button for 3 seconds. Release it. Close the cover. Check the printer's display. Open the access door. The carriage should move smoothly from left to right. Check if there is torn paper near the carriage. Clean any ink buildup. If the error continues, one or both cartridges may be defective. Remove both cartridges. Install only the black cartridge. Close the door and check for E0 error. Then, test only the color cartridge. If the error appears when a specific cartridge is installed, that cartridge likely needs replacement. If, after replacing both ink cartridges, the E0 error persists, the issue may be a damaged mainboard or the contacts with the mainboard. Servicing may be required.